Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to invite students to your class in Google Classroom. First of all, open up the Google Classroom app on your mobile device and make sure that you are inside the home page. Make sure you have a class ready so that you can start inviting students to it. After you open up your class, go ahead and tap on the People tab at the bottom right corner and then click on Invite. You can then enter the email address of the person or the student you want to invite. After typing down the email, select the recipient. You can add further emails. Go ahead and type it down. Add as much as people or students you want to add into the class. You can type down their email address manually, or if you want to invite them via class invitation link, you'll be able to see the class invitation link at the bottom. Simply click on Share and then select the contact you want to invite. You can also make use of any other messaging applications from where you want to invite the student to the class. Select the contact you want to invite after opening up any applications and click on Send, and this will then send the invitation to the person. You can also tap on Copy Link and share the invitation link wherever you want, such as SMS, email, etc. You can also invite students to your class via class code. Simply go ahead and get to the main homepage or the stream page of your class and click on the gear button at the top right. Here from the class details page, scroll down and look for the class code option. If you tap on class code, you'll be able to copy the class code. You can then share this class code to any of your students you want to invite via class code, and then students can join in by clicking Join Class and entering the code. If you've sent the invitation via email, then your students will receive the email invitation, and once they join in using that link, you'll be able to add them into the class. So that's how you easily invite students in your class in Google Classroom. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.